Retire young, retire rich.
You will never success by copying an idea. You, as a youth, you must begin with an idea. A good man must know how to confront demonic elements in order to gain success. For winning everywhere, you need power to confront the demonic element. Not only power to confront the demonic element, but you need powerful spiritual protective effects on your life. And this is what many of us, we as Africa, we as Tanzanians, we never recognize about this. And that's why many of the people, they didn't recognize. You can take an example, Zimbabwe, with the presidency of Robert Mugabe. At the first 10 years, Zimbabwe did well, but the second 10 years, Zimbabwe did bad. And you can recognize that Zimbabwe is one of the countries in the world which has no currency. Because sometimes they use the yuan of China, sometimes they use American dollar, sometimes they use the pura of Botswana, sometimes they use the rand of South Africa. And this is what Robert Gabriel Mugabe did not recognize there. That's why now Zimbabwe is one of the countries in the world, wonderful, which has no currency. But we, as a Tanzania, we must begin with an idea, so as we can interrogate that there is a man there goes for the man or woman who speaks for himself or herself about the success. Because no matter how good you are, but you must begin with an idea.